In this program, we are going to understand how to calculate the area of a triangle, and we'll be using the formula half multiplied by base multiplied by height. So for this, we need two values from the user. One is the base, one is the height. So we are taking the first variable called as base, and we are asking the user to enter the height of the base of the triangle using this input command with the message displayed, and whatever the value will be received by the user from the keyboard, so that will be converted into float and will be stored in this variable. After that, we are taking a second variable called height, and we are again asking the user to enter the height of the triangle, and whatever the value will be read from the user by entering from the keyboard, that will be stored, that will be converted into float and will be stored in this variable height. And after that, we are simply applying the formula that in this particular variable area of the triangle, the result of this formula should be stored, like half multiplied by base multiplied by height. Whatever the result will be there, that should be stored in this variable. And after that, we are printing the result using this print command. So this up over here, you can see area of the triangle is, this is the message, comma, the name of the variable that will hold the value, that is area of the triangle. So at the time of execution, this name of the variable will be replaced by the value that it has stored. So here on the idle that we have written the program, you need to click on the run module, and let's say the base of the triangle is 9 and the height of the triangle is 13, and press enter. So it says like the area of the triangle is 58.5.